Can you let me know what we're planning to do today? Joe, what we're going to do?
We're going to get one of these little bouncy boats that supposedly take 10 minutes to go around to the big beach round the corner.
There's a cave that's got willies in it. Large and small willies. Made of wood, I think.
C doesn't stand for ceiling in Emma's version.
You can see the bouncy boats going to Railay Beach. It's a short boat trip just past that corner there. So we bought tickets from the end of the beach. Now we're going to sit here and wait for the boat to appear. Joe thinks that we go down those steps to get to the boat, but everybody's just wandered over there into a taxi. It does appear to be a system, hopping on the back of this wagon. You alright? I say it's probably one of them. Say that again, Joe.
I said they've all got life vests, that makes me a little happier.
I noticed he's still in the water. Do you reckon we can climb on without... He's jumped on. Great work.
Can I put my life jacket on now? I'm serious.
Close. He did nearly just chop somebody's leg off. It's that guy in front. I think he's alright. Not too bouncy yet. I think he's a bit worried about the engine. Topping up with a bit of oil. Nearly at the corner. Does it feel like a long 10 minutes? That's not very deep actually. That's alright. It's only a foot, isn't it? Oh, you've got your shorts wet.
God!
Joe, it's fair to say you're not a boat person, so you've done well there.
My only issue is when we went around, we went around.
The trouble is, if I shut my eyes, I feel really seasick. And I don't want to see.
The boat turned around and it went sideways.
Fascinating way you got to walk there through like these hotel beaches where everyone's stood. Getting near to the end of the beach, and we've done it. See the cliffs.
Can you see Veronica? I don't know what to call them because they're too weird. It's done! Look!
That is big,
yeah! The boat we were on, it did this. They should call it the upsy diny downy boat. I'm really hungry. I'm bored. Can somebody tell my hair to
Emma spotted rolled ice cream.
Because I'm a bit back. And Dad's having
Oreo and banana. We gave up on that one, but we found another one straight away. And Emma will get hers even quicker. See?
I will eat your camera.
That is a big one, Em.
There
Looks
wasn't
really
enough
good.
Nox's camera.
And you've just got dragon fruit, haven't you, Joe? Yeah. Nice. It is very touristy, but it is good fun. So we just had an experience then.
Which one?
The one with the monkeys.
Oh.
Well, they kind of started chasing after us because of our ice cream. And we couldn't find a bin, and we had to walk all the way back to the place where we got ice cream from, so we could get rid of it. So now we've got no food, we're going to try back where the monkeys are, which is just down here.
Oh, there's a really small one.
Oh, here they are. There's quite a few around here. Loads of them. Got some rope swings here, Tarzan swings. It's strange to find a boat right in the middle of land.
I think somebody was.
Just found the entrance to Diamond Cave. Here we go, apparently in height order. Last time I was in something like this, it was a pyramid.
It's cooler than the pyramid on the side.
Lots of birdie noises. I think it'd look better if everything was dripping. It's not as good as the one at Koh Sok, because that one was more dangerous. Well, I'm not sure that was really worth the 500 baht.
White Walker. White Walker.
You can see people starting the rock climb. And then there's hookups up that rock. Something violent going on here, right at the end. Gonna make him drop with his baby. I think we might be at the beach again, but this isn't as pretty as I was expecting. It's like mangroves. Got some drinks, and we're probably going to have to carry the bottles all day or just lob them. There's litter everywhere, no bin.
Oh my god!
We got rid of our bottles, didn't we? At the place we bought them from. Bit more rock climbing going on here. This is the beach on the other side. Follow the evacuation route again. More crazy caves. You want to go in?
No.
Back cave. Where have you gone? You make it through there. 11-year-olds today, eh? It's like free climbing, that, isn't it? If we didn't all have flip-flops on, we'd have climbed that. Wouldn't we, Joe?
I definitely would have done.
Emma wouldn't. She's probably a bit too grown up for that.
Yes, I'm not.
I'm not either. I think that might be why they have the phallic symbols about. There's a monitor lizard. further out than I expected. Would you say you were soggy right now?
Yes. The way to the boat was quite deep when you've got little legs.
How's your tummy? You alright? You feeling sick?
No, look at me.
Hey,
Why do I look so bad?
it's a good look. Have you got the same look? No, it's not too bad. So you definitely climb out when the tide is low. Joe's a bit worried about this wading because it seems a bit deep for her.
Don't laugh.
Now that was an adventure, wasn't it?
Eat yourself. You have it right here. I have it everywhere.
I don't think we need to do anything else today.
Eat.
Eat.
We need to eat. We need to eat, and that is the only thing we need to do.
Yeah,
I didn't
success.
get
Yeah,
lunch.
book tomorrow.
I didn't get lunch.
Go pee.